Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Today I am styling my way. I will be showing you how I decorate a pumpkin inspired coffee table. This is a collaboration titled Styling My Way, hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I am your guest host at Home with Lisa Lisa. We also have co-hosts, which are Design with Emma, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Designs, and Decorating with Jazzy Green. We will be using the theme pumpkins. You are to DIY or to decorate a space in your home using pumpkins. Also, too, if you decide to create a video, hashtag styling my way. So here I am cleaning my coffee table. It is a glass top here, so it was a little dusty, so I decided to go ahead and clean it before styling it. I am so happy that you LoveBugs have decided to join in on today. I appreciate each and every one of you whom have clicked on this video. If you like this kind of content, please don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave me some comments down below. Now, also, if you decide to participate in this collaboration, your video will be included in the playlist. But remember, you have to hashtag styling my way. That's the only way we will know to include your video in the playlist. Now, let's get decorating. As you can see, I have placed my wooden tray here on the table. This is going to be the base of my decor. So I'm going to be styling with this wood round tray, and I'm going to be adding this beautiful textured vase to the round wooden tray. I love the color. I love the styling of it. It is very unique in shape, and I think it's going to go perfect for this styling. Next, I'm going to be coming in with these two wooden farmhouse styled candle stands. They're different in height. Let's see. I think I'm going to move my base a little bit and kind of put it in the middle of those two candle stands. But before that, check out these beautiful fall-like candles that I'm going to be using for decor purposes. I don't plan to burn them, but they're absolutely gorgeous. It has that rustic color there, and yeah, that works out better with the stand, like in between the two candle stands. So yeah, I like that look. Yeah, that looks good. I hope y'all like it too. Yeah, so that way you can see the candle stands on the sides of the vase there. So I want to come in with this cute pattern cloth pumpkin. I have had it for years, and I think it's going to be perfect for this space because of the different texture of it, and because it has that pattern as well too. Everything here is pretty much solid, so I want to break up the solid colors in this coffee table styling. So I'm coming in with a porcelain pumpkin here. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I love how they have the leaves, stems designed on here, and it too is somewhat patterned as well. So we just have to work on the placing here to make sure that every piece that we're using in this coffee table styling is in its rightful place to give it a great look. Now y'all know fall is in the air, so we're gonna add this pumpkin spice and cream candle here. I believe I got that candle from the Kirkland store. So I'm going to add it right there, and hopefully everything that I'm trying to add here in this ensemble, that it fits the way I need for it to fit, because it has to have the look that I am going for. So far, I'm not really liking how the pumpkin is sitting here, so we might have to do some adjustments. But before that, we're going to come in with this gray beaded garland we're going to add to the grouping here. So as you can see, I have taken away the pumpkin. I'm trying to figure out if I have another pumpkin to be able to use here in this styling. And I think I do. I think I have another pumpkin that I can use in this styling. Now, is it going to work? I'm not sure, because the one that I'm choosing, as you can see, it has the neutral tones in it with the veins going through the candle, but it kind of just blends, and I don't want it to blend. I want it to stand out. So 9 times out of 10, I'm probably going to come back in with that original pumpkin that I have, because I like the texture of it and I love that it has a print on it. So if you know, you know, I'm always switching things up. So please don't click off, because I'm sure I'm going to change this look as you see it here. Now I'm going to use this bowl here. I love it. I love the different colors here with the rustic feel and the rustic look that it's given off. And I love the funny shape that it is. And I'm actually just going to use this for just things for the coffee table, like the remotes may go in here. You know, I may put the candle lighter in there. But for now, I'm just going to put the remotes in there. All right, you guys, the next clip you're going to see will be the reveal. All right, we have styled my way. I have shown you how I decorated my pumpkin inspired coffee table. Yes, y'all see it. I did bring the patterned pumpkin back. I think that it adds so much value and characteristic to my styling of this coffee table. So I love the way it looks. I love the pieces. Some may say that it's too much, but I don't think it's too much. I love it. I like the way it's styled. And another way you can style it is you could just separate some of the pieces. But I love togetherness, and I love the grouping of this styling that I have created here for Styling My Way on this collaboration today. Please don't forget to go over and check out the ladies whom are involved in this collaboration. Please give them a thumbs up and leave them some comments in their video. And if you want to say you're here from At Home with Lisa, please feel free to. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and also leave me some comments down below. So you guys, I think I rock this styling out. I really like how it turned out. I love the different pieces that I use to create the beautiful look that you see here. I like the different textures and the styles of the pieces. So yes, you guys, get into it. So you will be probably seeing this again. You also may be seeing some changes in this because we are going to be doing some fall home tours. I haven't decided if I'm going to do the entire home or if I'm going to just do a certain area of the home, but I'm sure when that video comes out, I will have changed some things just to be able to give you guys a different look on how I change up my style. But anyway, let me stop rambling. I'm going to say thank you again for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you because I can't do this without you. And At Home with Lisa is going to be signing off, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See you in the next #StylingMyWay.
Kick back and catch a vibe.